The answer to this is a little bit nuanced, okay? I will start by telling you that the number one reason for shopping cart abandons, that's when somebody puts an item into their shopping cart and then they don't check out and pay cash. The number one reason for that is unexpected shipping charges. That's the number one reason that people don't complete their purchase, okay? So what that tells us is this: it is usually the case that the strategy to get the highest possible conversion rates is a free shipping strategy. That's usually the best in terms of conversion rates, free shipping strategy. So whatever the cost of your product is, add on to it the shipping charges. That now becomes the cost of the product, and then you include free shipping with it. That is usually the best strategy. However, as always, you should definitely test. But if I was thinking about where to start that's got the maximum chance of working, I would be going with a free shipping strategy, Martin. That's what I would do, mate. Hope that helps.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.